Hello YouTube, Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up some new for 2022 Hot Wheels models. Two different colors of it. This is the Tooned 83 Chevy Silverado. From the Tooned series, this is a brand new model for 2022. It's a square body Chevy, all squished up. Pretty interesting. Number 104 of 250 for 2022. And this one's on international card. This one's on a United States card. New for 22s, you can see there. Tooned series 4 of 5 on both of these. So this one came around to E-case. And yep, E-case. This one came around. This recolor came in M-case. HCX11 is the number on this one. And then the Tooned 83 Chevy Silverado, born 1983, Detroit, Michigan. General Motors designed this. The Chevy Silverado truck is a great addition to the Napo family. With a big blown engine, proper stance, it is a proud member of the tall boy lineup. So extreme proportions, over the top styling, and cartoon to the max. That's what the series is. And right away, looking at this, the red one, I definitely love the red one more. But this is the blue one, the very first edition. These ones used to be pretty hot. And I found 3 of these blue ones, but I only found 1 of the red one. I gave one of the blue ones away. Oh, this is kind of a tiny little thing. Interesting, not too much to look at, but actually there's a lot going on. So now we got the red one. Pop that one open. So now we got 2 new Hot Wheels out of the packaging for you guys to look at. Very tiny models, as you can see. Pretty adorable. Metallic blue or pearl blue color on this one. Blown engine. Oh wow, that looks interesting. 5-spoke wheels, black plastic base. I'm not sure what to think of this. I like the designs on it. The taillights, the white striping. It's a reuse ride, I believe. Or reuse rides. Well, I don't think it is actually. It doesn't say, but it says Ryu on it. And I think Ryu passed away before anyone designed this car, so I don't think this was designed by him. Chevy logo on the front. And got this at a supermarket out of town. Glad I found it. These are pretty desirable, the square body Chevys. I didn't find any of the normal Chevy Silverados. There was a green normal one that came out, but I wasn't able to score that one. Interesting, pretty cool models. This one is red with white stripes. Definitely loving this one way more. And chrome interior, same deal. There's the front there, classic square body Chevy. There's the back. Pretty cool models. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Goodbye.